And I hugged my mom.
There's so many points along the way that you could have stopped. Like
I
not
agree.
drive over there,
Yes,
not go to the hotel,
I agree.
not go up to the hotel room.
I completely agree. And that's something that I've talked to myself and my mom and my family about and my friends about why I even did it. Because in no right state of mind ever have I ever thought that way or been in a situation like that. I crashed out. And I didn't know what sympathy was for the like the situation I was in. I really didn't. And I was young, I was sleep deprived, I was off drugs and alcohol, and I really did not mean to make that decision. And that's not who I am as a person. I've never lied to my mom or people about my situation. I've always been honest when they asked, especially how I got my job back. I had to sit there in front of a bunch of grown people and explain what happened.
Mhm.
You know what I mean? And that's something I can't be unhonest about it because look how it looks on a piece of paper. You know, no matter what I said, no matter what I did, it's what's shown. And I mean, that's what's here today in front of us. Like, and I made a mistake, but I don't believe that I deserve prison because I want to be rehabilitated. I know I can work through what the police says. I know my punishment isn't over. It'll be at least 10 years that I'll have to deal with whatever the plea requires. And I know that.
All right, so this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to find you guilty. The court is going to order Chapter 62 compliance. There's a $3,000 fine, time and money to run concurrently. The court will sentence you to 3 years in the prison to give you credit for any time served. Did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over that, what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
So 3 years?
Yes. But like,
Well, I have.
I'm sorry.
And I hugged my mom.
No, you'll have to talk to the deputies. They're in charge of security.